This is lesson 145, Number Skills Review. And the reason why we're reviewing is because later on there is a test on number skills. So I wanted to just go over a few things. We've been working on these all week, but I would really like to be able to review with you first. Okay, so we have, let me get my pointer. We have 2 clocks. Now, remember that as we're going around, we have the shorthand. We always use the shorthand, or look at the shorthand first, because whenever we were little, we grew taller, so that we were short before we were tall. So remember, it's always the shorthand first. So we look at that, and we look at it's pointing up here just past the what? The 1. Did it go to the 2 yet? So we say it is 1. So when we write it up here, we write 1. And then we have the 2 dots there, because this is the hour and we'll have the minutes. Now, the minute hand is the long one. And as we're looking at it, we see it's sideways. And when it's sideways and it's reaching out further, it is a what number? It starts with a 1, and you know what family starts with a 1? It's the teen family. So you know it's going to be a teen. So what teen is it? It's the 15. So let's read that. You got it? 1, 15. Say it again. 1, 15. Because it is the first hand, the shorthand, was closest to the 1, or it was past the 1 first. It didn't go to the 2 yet. So it's 1, and this is straight across, and if we count 5, 10, 15, this is 15. 1, 15. Okay, so I know there's a 3 under there, but you don't see the 3, do you? You see the 15 though. Okay, well, let's go over here. This is halfway between. Let's see, it's halfway between the 1 and the 2. It went halfway around, but it did not go all the way to the 2. So we can't say it's 2. We have to say it's what? 1. So we're going to go up here. I'm going to write it 1, dot, dot. 1, let's see. Is it 5? 10? Is it 15? Oh, is it 20? Is it 25? No, it's 30. So it's 1, 30. So then we would write 1, 30. You see it? 1 for the hour. That's the first hand. And then 30 for the second hand. The second one. Hour hand, minute hand. So it's 1, 30 minutes. 1 o'clock, 30 minutes. Okay, let's go to the next section, or the next clocks. We're going to do some more clocks, just to make sure you understand and review this, okay? So first we look at which hand? The short hand. I'm hoping that you guys said that when I ask you the question. Say it loud. The short hand. Okay, so we're going to look at the short hand, and it's pointing right straight to the 8. I hope you said 8. I'm pretending that you did. So I'm going to put 8. And we have to have 2 dots for there. And if it's up, straight up, stretch your arm straight up into the air and say o'clock. So how do you remember how to write o'clock? O'clock means no minutes, so you have 0, 0. Okay, so now we have 8 o'clock. Those are eyes looking at you. Okay, sorry, I was just being silly there. Okay, so now let's go over here. Which hand do we look at first? Did you say the shorthand? I hope so. So we're looking at the shorthand, and it is halfway in between. So if it's halfway in between, we have to look at what it went past, the last number it passed up. So it went past the 6, went past the 7. Did it go past the 8 yet? Nope. It stopped in the middle. So it's still at 7. So we're going to go up here and write 7 because we know it didn't go to 8 yet. Now, it went halfway around. Oops, I made a mark. It went halfway around. So it is at 7, what? 30. 7:30. Okay, and I'm going to clear that one. I forgot to clear the last one too. So let's go down here. Now I need my pointer. We have money. Here we have quarters. Remember the quarters? They have a funny looking, well, this guy has a ponytail. Do you see that? Do you remember that? This is a quarter. And how many quarters does it take to make a dollar? Yeah, you probably already know that. But we're going to count by 25 cents. So as we count, we're going to count by 25. Remember that 25. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. So what's the first one we say? 25. So we're counting by 25 cents. Okay, and I'm going to put that right back where it was. Bye. Okay, so now we're going to go down here to the second part. And it says count by 5 cents. So these are nickels. Nickels, we're counting by 5s. Let's count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So let's count to 45. Okay, what are we counting by? 5s. Do it with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we have 45 cents here. But what if we had, let's see, if we had, let's see. Oops, come back here. Oh, there he is. Okay, if there's 4 of them, let's count that many of them. Do we count by ones? No. 5, 10, 15, 20. So this would be 20 cents. Let me see if, what if we had 2 of them? Oops, let's see, 2 of them. Let's count 2 of them. Are you ready? 5, 10. Let's do that again. 5, 10. Let's do a different one. Okay, we're going to count. Let's count 5 of them. Oops. It's not. I have to drag all these over here. And how many? We have 5 of them, so let's count 5 nickels. Ready? Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, so 5 of them are 25. We're going to do one more. You ready? This one is, let's try. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15. How much do we have? Let's do it again. 5, 10, 15. How many cents do we have? 15 cents. Very good. And I'm going to put those away. Okay, so we have a test, and let's see if we can go down here. We're going to do the test part after we do the back. So on your paper, you should have your paper out. I'm going to do the back with you first, and then I will tell you what to do on the test, but that's going to be in a different video. So we'll just do the back for right now. Let me get my pen. Are you ready? I'm going to read sentences, and these are called a story problem. So you listen for the number. So once you hear a number, you put it. We're not going to do this one. Remember, save that one. We're going to go down here and do this one all the way across, and then whatever's in this one we put up there. Here we go. Mom gave Harry 4 carrots. How many? 4. That's right. So we're going to write that in right now. Harry gave 1 to the mailman. How many? 1. How many carrots does he have left? Okay, we've already done this part. Let's figure out how much. Hold up 4 fingers. Take one of them and put down. Okay, we're going to put 1 finger down. So if you have 4 fingers, you put 1 down. It has, did you say 3? 3 fingers. So we're going to take this number and we're going to put it up here. Ready? 3. Let's go to the next one. Now Harry has 3 carrots. How many? 3. He gave 1. How many? 1 to Baby Bunny. Oh, that's nice. How many does he have left now? Well, let's find out. Hold up 3. Take away 1. How many do you have? Do you have 2? That's right. So remember, take this one and put up there. 2. Okay. And the last part of this is, well, the last combination, story problem. We got more story down here, though. Harry has 2 carrots left. How many? 2 carrots. So we got to put that number because that's what you heard, right? He gave a carrot to his sister Hoppity. So he gave how many carrots? It doesn't say the number, but he gave a carrot. How much is a carrot? 1 to his sister Hoppity. How many carrots does he have left? Now, hold up how many fingers? He started with 2, and he gave away 1, so you put down 1 more finger. How many does he got left? Did you say 1? That's right. So now you put this one up here. Okay. Harry ate the last carrot himself. He smiled because he knew Jesus was pleased that he had shared. Oh, that was so sweet. Now, I'm going to turn off this video, and I need you to start up the part 2 of this lesson, because that's when we're going to do our written test. So this is the fun part. The other side, the front part of it, is the test. So I'm going to turn this off and start part 2.